I'm Pajar, and today I'm making my Thai tea pie. When I first brought the pie out to Thanksgiving, my family was like really surprised that you could get Thai tea into a pie flavor. And since then, it's just been one of those things that my family just expects me to bring to Thanksgiving every year. So my sister-in-law will bring 2 traditional pies, apple or pecan or strawberry, and then I'll be in charge of the 2 Thai tea pies, which usually goes by faster compared to the other pies, since again, this is not something that you would be able to get at your local pie store. Thanksgiving gets crazy at my family because it's like we're loud, there's a lot of us, we have a family hashtag. My last name is Pajar, so we had a TY, so it's Pajarty. Because there's so many of us that we had a hard time getting photos whenever we would take like a group photo or any kind of photo during a party. So we just made the hashtag so that you could look it up and find the photo online. But now it's just become like a fun thing. So my family came out to California in the 1980s. The family was still relatively small. It was just my mom, my dad, my like 6 older half siblings. And as the years grew and as we all became adults, everyone brought something to the table. So the table just got bigger. What was originally probably close to a traditional Thanksgiving became something that is pretty much a giant Thanksgiving party. It's like now we can't really fit into one table, but we'll fit into one house. As we all get older, everyone brings something new. So if I showed up to Thanksgiving without a pie, specifically this Thai tea pie, they would put me in the kitchen and make this pie. The first year that I actually made this pie, I made 1 Thai tea pie, and then I also made an Earl Grey pie. My family liked the Earl Grey pie, but it just wasn't as popular compared to the Thai tea pie. And my family's like blunt enough that they'll be like, this is good, but it's not great. Could we just get 2 of the Thai tea pies instead of a Earl Grey pie? For the amount of people that we do have over for Thanksgiving, someone is always bound to forget something. Since I'm traveling over there, I don't really end up forgetting a pie or anything. But there have been years where we would forget like the lumpia, someone would forget the rice, someone would forget the mashed potatoes. With big families, you have to move fast. If you're gonna hope that someone's gonna save you a slice of a pie or a piece of a cake, sucks for you, because not everyone's gonna save that. My favorite way to serve the Thai tea pie is to give it a nice, healthy dollop of fresh whipped cream, just because it ties it all together and it looks really pretty. I love sharing with my family, but this one is all mine.